Hello everyone. Today we are talking about the preparation of potassium dichromate. Formula potassium dichromate is K2Cr2O7, and this potassium dichromate is prepared actually in three steps. In the first step, we convert iron chromate ore into sodium chromate. In the second step, this sodium chromate is converted into sodium dichromate, and in the last step, sodium dichromate is converted into potassium dichromate. Therefore, we are write step number first. Roasting of chromite ore into sodium chromate. For industrial preparation, industrial production, chromite ore finely divided chromite ore is treated with sodium carbonate with lime and then roasted with excess of air to produce sodium chromate. Therefore, a reaction is like this. Cr2O3. First we take FeO Cr2O3, that is iron chromate. This iron chromate then treated with sodium carbonate and then heated with excess of air, which produces sodium chromate. First of all, we use Fe2O3, then sodium chromate, Na2CrO4, and carbon dioxide for the balancing. This 4 is balanced twice Fe2. This is 8. Therefore, we have write here 8, and carbon is also 8 times. Therefore, 8 times. in this way. In the first step, iron chromate is converted into sodium chromate. This is all about first step. Now in the second step, conversion of sodium chromate into sodium dichromate. For this sodium chromate is hydrated and then treated with sulfuric acid converted into sodium dichromate. Reaction is like this. We take sodium chromate Na2CrO4 sodium chromate. This sodium chromate is treated with sulfuric acid. Then converted into sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O7 and chromic sulfate Cr2SO4. For balancing, we are right here twice. Therefore, Na2Cr2O7 and Cr2SO4 plus 1 water molecules. It means in the second step, what happens? There is a conversion of sodium chromate into sodium dichromate. Sodium chromate into sodium dichromate. Now in the third step, sodium chromate into sodium dichromate. In the third step, conversion of, and third step is last step, conversion of sodium dichromate into potassium dichromate. Reaction is, we take sodium chromate and it is treated with potassium chloride. Reaction occur and 2 gives potassium chromate by the liberation of that is sodium dichromate and converted into potassium dichromate. Therefore, this is all about preparation of sodium potassium dichromate. Again, परत एक वेळा बघा, पोटॅशियम डायक्रोमेट 3 स्टेप मध्ये आपल्याला प्रिपेअर करायचं आहे. आणि पहिली स्टेप आहे आयर्न क्रोमाइट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू सोडियम क्रोमेट. इन द सेकंड स्टेप सोडियम क्रोमेट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू sodium dichromate, and in the last step sodium dichromate is converted into potassium dichromate. आता या 3 स्टेप ज्याप्रमाणे आपण पाहतो, तर पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये काय होत आहे, फर्स्ट वी टेक द आयर्न क्रोमाइट ओर. दिस आयर्न क्रोमाइट ओर इज ट्रीटेड बाय sodium carbonate and excess of air is passes, therefore roasting process takes place and converted into sodium chromate. This sodium chromate is used in second step. Therefore, sodium chromate when treated with sulfuric acid, reaction occur and 2 gives sodium dichromate. And in the last step, sodium dichromate treated by sodium potassium chloride 2 gives potassium dichromate. In this way, iron chromate is finally converted into potassium dichromate. In case of this potassium dichromate, there is 2 chemical reaction. Therefore, chemical properties of K2Cr2O7. There are 2 chemical properties. One is reaction with potassium iodide, and second is reaction with hydrogen sulfide. Therefore, action of potassium iodide that is Ki. Reaction is like this. We take potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 and it is treated with sulfuric acid H2SO4 thrice potassium iodide and 2 gives twice K2SO4 then chromium sulfate Cr2SO4 by 3 Therefore, for balancing we have right here twice, and potassium iodide is oxidized to iodine plus 7 water molecules. Therefore, this is the reaction. It means potassium dichromate when treated with sulfuric acid, this potassium dichromate oxidizes potassium iodide into iodine, and itself, that is potassium dichromate, is reduces to chromic sulfate. जेव्हा पोटॅशियम डायक्रोमेट पोटॅशियम आयोडाइड सोबत रिॲक्ट होणार, पोटॅशियम आयोडाइडला तो ऑक्सिडाइज करणार, आयोडीन मध्ये त्याचं कन्व्हर्शन होईल आणि स्वतः पोटॅशियम डायक्रोमेटचं रिडक्शन होऊन क्रोमिक सल्फेटचं कन्व्हर्शन होते. सेकंड रिएक्शन, that is action of hydrogen sulfide, that is H2S on K2Cr2O7. In this, when we take potassium dichromate and this potassium dichromate is treated with sulfuric acid, in the reaction we take hydrogen sulfide, then reaction occur and 2 gives this, again potassium dichromate is oxidized to hydrogen sulfide and converted into sulfur, itself get reduced, it is K2SO4 potassium sulfate, then Cr2SO4 by 3 असल्यामुळे इथे 4 टाइम घ्यावं लागेल. 4 टाइम घेतल्यानंतर आता मात्र हे बॅलन्स झाला, प्लस H2H चं ऑक्सिडेशन होणार, सल्फर मध्ये त्याचं कन्व्हर्शन होईल आणि 7 टाइम वॉटर मॉलिक्युल्स. तर अशी ही दुसरी रिॲक्शन आहे. पोटॅशियम डायक्रोमेट जेव्हा आपण हायड्रोजन सल्फाइड सोबत कंबाइन करणार, रिएक्ट करणार, देयरफॉर रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस and in this reaction potassium dichromate oxidizes hydrogen sulfide into sulfur, yellow color sulfur, and potassium dichromate itself reduces into chromic sulfate. Therefore these two are the chemical property. Now I hope you have to understood up to these reactions. काय क्लियर आहे? First we prepared potassium dichromate and then we write a reaction of potassium dichromate. In the preparation of potassium dichromate we take chromite ore. Chromite ore is treated by sodium carbonate and for roasting excess of air reaction takes place and 2 gives sodium chromate. Iron chromate is converted into sodium chromate in the first step. Then in the second step sodium chromate is treated with sulfuric acid and conversion of sodium dichromate in the second step, and in the final step sodium dichromate is treated by potassium chloride, 2 gives potassium dichromate. And in this chemical property potassium dichromate is oxidizes potassium iodide into iodine. Here potassium dichromate oxidizes hydrogen sulfide into sulfur. Next we go on next question, that is मेटलर्जी. मेटलर्जी मीन्स ज्याला मराठीमध्ये आपल्याला धातू शुद्ध करण्याची कला असं म्हणतात. तर कोणतेही ओर ज्याला खनिज म्हणू आपण, तर ते खनिज सुरुवातीला इम्प्युरिटीज असते, त्यामध्ये खूप साऱ्या इम्प्युरिटीज असते, अनेक प्रकारच्या प्रोसेस ॲडॉप्ट करायचे असतात आणि हळूहळू त्याचं प्युरिफिकेशन करून प्युअर मेटलमध्ये या खनिजाचं कन्व्हर्शन होते. या प्रोसेसला मेटलर्जी असं म्हटलेलं आहे. therefore we write definition of metallurgy. What is metallurgy? Metallurgy काय आहे, धातू शुद्ध करण्याची कला. मेटलर्जी इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सट्रॅक्शन, प्रोसेस of extraction in which pure metal, process of extraction in which pure metal from ore, ओर पासून प्युअर मेटल तयार करण्याची जी प्रोसेस आहे, दॅट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड ॲज द मेटलर्जी. मेटलर्जी इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सट्रॅक्शन ऑफ मेटल, प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सट्रॅक्शन ऑफ मेटल, एक्सट्रॅक्शन ऑफ मेटल in which pure metal from ore, it means pure metal is obtained from ore. That process is called as the metallurgy. In this metallurgy there are some terms. First one, mineral. Naturally occurring chemical substance. Naturally occurring chemical substance from earth crust is called mineral. तर ही मिनरल ची डेफिनेशन, व्हॉट इज मिनरल, जे काही खनिजाचे साठे असतात निसर्गातून आपल्याला जे मिळते, देअरफॉर इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज नॅचरली ऑकरिंग केमिकल सबस्टन्स फ्रॉम विच, नॅचरली ऑकरिंग केमिकल सबस्टन्स फ्रॉम अर्थ क्रस्ट, that is called as the mineral. Then second term, ore. मिनरल आणि ओर मध्ये फरक आहे. मिनरल पासून आपण एक्सट्रॅक्शन करून मोठ्या प्रमाणात मेटल मिळू शकत नाही, त्यामध्ये त्या मेटलचं प्रमाण अत्यल्प असते, देअरफॉर दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द मिनरल. पण पर्सेंटेज जर त्या जो आपल्याला मेटल प्युरिफाय करायचं आहे त्याचं जे आपल्याकडे ओर आहे त्याचं पर्सेंटेज जर खूप जास्त असेल तर ती प्रोसेस आपल्याला परवडणार, त्यापासून आपल्याला एक्सट्रॅक्शन करता येईल. हेन्स व्हॉट इज ओर, ओर इज नथिंग बट नॅचरली ऑकरिंग or mineral containing high percentage of metal. Mineral containing high percentage of metal is called ore. दोघांमधला फरक तुमच्या लक्षात आला असेल. यापासून सुद्धा आपल्याला मेटल मिळवता येईल, यापासून सुद्धा मेटल मिळवता येईल, पण जनरली मेटल मिळवायचं असेल तर मिनरल पासून मिळवायच्या ऐवजी या ओर पासून मिळवतात, कारण मिनरल मध्ये त्या मेटलचं पर्सेंटेज हे कमी राहते आणि म्हणून ती प्रोसेस प्रॉफिटेबली नसते. त्या मिनरलच्या ऐवजी ओर घेऊन अनेक प्रकारच्या प्रोसेस ॲडॉप्ट करून शेवटी आपल्याला जो मेटल प्युअर मिळणार तर हा मोठ्या प्रमाणात असतो. देअरफॉर ओर इज ए सबस्टन्स विच हॅव हाय पर्सेंटेज ऑफ मेटल इन दॅट इज मिनरल. द मिनरल कंटेनिंग हाय पर्सेंटेज ऑफ मेटल इज नथिंग बट ए ओर. We have write definition of metallurgy. There are three types of metallurgy. We know that metallurgy is the process of extraction of metal extraction of metal in which pure metal is obtained from ore. That process is called as the metallurgy. And there are three types of metallurgy. Types of metallurgy. Number one, pyrometallurgy. Second type of metallurgy is hydrometallurgy. And third type of metallurgy is electrometallurgy. Now we write one by one. In case of pyrometallurgy, pyrometallurgy is process of extraction is a process of extraction of metal in which metal oxide is treated with reducing agent like hydrogen, nitrogen or carbon. That process is called as the pyrometallurgy. म्हणजे metallic oxide असतो. First we have a metallic oxide, and this metallic oxide when treated with reducing agent like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, then that process is called as the pyrometallurgy. Number second, hydrometallurgy. This is also the process of extraction of metal. Hydrometallurgy is a process of extraction of metal in which ore is dissolved into suitable chemical reagent and treated with more electropositive metal. That process is called as the hydrometallurgy. हायड्रोमेटलर्जी मध्ये जो ॲक्च्युअली ओर असतो तर तो ओर सुटेबल केमिकल रिएजंट मध्ये डिसॉल्व करावा लागेल. व्हेन वी डिसॉल्व द ore into suitable chemical reagent and then this solution is treated with more electropositive metal, then process is called as the hydrometallurgy. and last type of metallurgy is electrometallurgy. It is also the process of extraction of metal. Electrometallurgy is a process of extraction of metal in which electrolysis process extraction of metal in which electrolysis of metal ही प्रोसेस अडॉप्ट करणे म्हणजे फर्स्ट वी टेक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. एका मोठ्या बिग टँक मध्ये वी टेक फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. वी ॲडेड 2 इलेक्ट्रोड कॅथोड अँड एनोड अँड ऑन पासिंग द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी reaction takes place and some metal is deposited at cathode. That process is called as the electrolysis process, and adopting this electrolysis process in this electrometallurgy pure metal is obtained. Therefore electrometallurgy is a process of extraction of metal by electrolysis process. That is the third process. With the help of this electrometallurgy we can purify the ore into pure metals. Therefore we have discussed about what is metallurgy, type of metallurgy, and there are two terms like mineral ore. There is one more term, that is gangue. Gangue is unwanted material. Which is present in ore like sand, milestone, sand, mica. This unwanted material is known as gangue. Metallurgy is a process of extraction of metal or pure metal from ore. That process is called as the metallurgy. There is a one term mineral. In this mineral, naturally occurring ore is called as the minerals, and ore is a mineral which contain high percentage of metal, that is called as ore. And in this ore there are impurity. This unwanted impurity should be removed out. Therefore when impurity like sand, mica present in ore, that unwanted material with ore is called as the gangue. And metallurgy are of three types: pyrometallurgy, hydrometallurgy and electrometallurgy.